3, 2, 1. Stop it.
Alright guys, our next section we're going to be talking about is transmetallation. And transmetallation is just...
The possibilities of...
Whoa! Hey, cat.
You are watching with, oh, hi, there's your cat.
My research assistant.
Only 3 Minneapolis beaches.
A great week, and we will talk to you next week.
Just
Ven a sumarse. Un ciclo completo de la enfermedad. Entonces.
So it's been a week since I've seen her. Hi, this is my cat. That is the perks of working from home.